name is Jessica Pagé. I'm from Montreal, Canada. I actually picked the school because it was one of the cheapest in the Caribbean to start with, so it was good for me. I was happy. There was the island. The island is beautiful, and the fact that I could go back either to practice to Canada or to practice in the United States was something that was really interesting for me because the accreditation that the school has. So yeah. So the factors that made me choose this school was, like I said, the accreditation, the fact that I had access to loans, the fact that the island was beautiful. I really wanted to come to the Caribbean, and they accepted me, so that was good too. I did apply to schools in Canada, in med schools in Canada, so in Montreal, and I applied also to other Caribbean schools, but not in the U.S. No, I did not receive any loans or anything from the school. I had scholarships, but that's it. The loans I had were personal loans that I took from in Canada from my bank. So about the process of coming here, you just really have to work hard for it. You have to want it. Study hard, go to classes. Everything's gonna be fine, and then you just keep working until you're done. Like today for me, which is good. And any tips? I would say never. So I'm saying that, and I'm the worst at it, but never put anything just like to the last minute. Never a good idea. Just try to do a bit every single day, and just like repetition is key to success. I feel in medicine, so that would help me. So my experience was actually at Xavier was actually amazing. I have nothing to say. The teachers are amazing. They really want to teach you. They want you to learn. They're really invested in, if you are showing that you're interested in learning, they're going to be there for you all the time. The faculty, even the office, everyone in the office is amazing. I still text them. I still talk to them every single day. And it's a beautiful place to be, and everyone's very welcoming. So I feel the school prepared me for my career as a doctor. A lot of it was hands-on experience. Well, the OSCE, Dr. Leland's teaching is very, very clinical, so it did help in clinical rotations. And then after that, in clinical rotations, we have access to a lot of different stuff, and we can just we can pick whatever is best for us and best for our learning. So the top 3 things that stand out from the school would be the fact that everyone was welcoming. I really felt like I was at home, like a family, a community, which was something that was really important for me. They really prepare you for like clinical, for later. They want you to go into the world and kind of know what you're doing. So, and the island is beautiful. So if anyone wants to come here, I recommend it. It's beautiful.